Today's November 20th, and Michael just learned how to feed himself for the first time. Let's see if he's going to get it. Oh, Michael. You want a puff? Yay! Michael figured it out after about 3 puffs. How is it? Want another one? Do another one? Oh, did you lose that one? Yeah, you can have that other one. Michael really likes the puffs. What about this one? You want to take it? Did you get it? Oh no, it dropped again. You want to try it, Mike? Mmm. Did we lose it or did you get that one? Alright. Just a couple more. Oh, we lost that one. Want this one? Oh no, we lost it again. Oh, no football for you. Michael. Michael. Do you like that? Do you like that?